Hi, welcome to the Culinary Institute of Canada. I'm Chef Stephen Hunter. Today we're going on a picnic and I'm going to make a German potato salad to take with us. We're going to start with 4 large new potatoes and about a 1-inch dice. With about a tablespoon of salt. Bring them to a boil, turn them down to a bit of a simmer, and we're going to cook them until they're just fork tender. While we're doing that, we're going to render some nice bacon in the pan. I'm going to start with a little bit of cooking oil. Some nice farmhouse bacon. Then we're going to remove the bacon from the pan with a slotted spoon. Now we're going to add our onions to the pan. We're going to brown those lightly. While those are browning, we're going to mix our vinaigrette. We're going to start with some white wine vinegar, about a tablespoon of sugar, some Dijon mustard, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, fresh ground black pepper. We're going to whisk all that together. We're going to add the vinaigrette to the pan and warm it through. Once we've got it nicely warmed through, we've got our drained potatoes. We're going to add back to the pan. Our bacon goes back in, and we're going to finish it with some fresh chopped parsley and chives. Okay, our potato salad is cooled off. It's ready to take it on the road. We want to get out of the kitchen and enjoy the nice day out there. So we're going to put it in some mason jars and load it up in our picnic basket. Beautiful. Now we're going to garnish it with some nice fresh pea shoots we have. People are always asking me, what do pea shoots taste like? Well, believe it or not, they taste just like peas. There you have it, German potato salad.